Good evening, one and all sitting over here, and in particular, Madam Toastmaster Ma'am.
Good evening.
When I heard the topic, I was not very sure whether I really heard it correctly. However, when the speech started, it became very, very clear what the speaker, Madam Toastmaster Mary, was talking about. First, I must commend you for being able to talk on a topic such as flatulence or farting, which normally people will consider slightly as a taboo or be a little embarrassed to speak about, or you'll find little giggles and laughter which goes. So congratulations on that. I like the way you organized your speech in terms of saying what it was all about, and then you took it in a very, very clinical manner in which you informed us about the different types of flatulence. Very well done. You also explained that it is not really as embarrassing as one explains, and it was very well depicted by your with your interaction with your boyfriend. I like the confidence with which you spoke about this subject, which is really, really commendable. While you spoke about the topic, about the different types of flatulence, I was able to smell it. And of course, the feeling that all of us were going through, or especially me, when we are actually talking about it, or when we are actually in a particular act. So very, very well done on that. You were extremely clear with the manner in which you narrated the entire message. However, you were still clinical, which is what I really, really admired about your entire script. Having said this, there are a couple of suggestions which I would like to give you in order to uplift your speech to a still higher level. Number one, use the stage. While you move forward, you actually missed out on a few audience who are sitting on the either side. So instead of moving forward, you probably would have moved right to explain about one of the aspects of flatulence, and then moved to the left to explain the other aspect of flatulence, because that's what you spoke about too, and then you could have concluded in the thing. And also I would have liked in your speech if you had spoken a little more about how we could minimize it or reduce it, especially me being a vegan. I would have really appreciated and thought about it a lot. Overall, I think it was a great speech. You have the confidence and the ability to speak about such a topic. Just work on these areas in terms of giving more information and things. You will definitely be a great educationist.